Drum wood chipper. Drum wood chipper frame contain blade roller, upper and down below feeding system, supply device, hydraulic buffer system, and the electrical control system. The device let the materials fall and effective crushing in the crushing cavity. High yield, low energy consumption. It can be a variety of hardwood, bamboo, and other materials cut into uniform chips. It can also handle the materials into chips, such as slab, veneer, bamboo, wood branches, straw, and other non-wood fiber rods, and other materials.